Good morning, class 9 students. This is your chapter number 4 from Women's book, In the Kingdom of Fools. It is always believed that foolish people are very dangerous, and who could deal with them? Only the very wise people. So let's read this story, and we are going to find out who was a fool in this story and what happens to them. Now, there was a kingdom, and it was known as the kingdom of fools. Why? Because both the king and the minister were idiots over there. And what did they do? They did not want to run the things like other people. Okay, they said that we are going to have different rules and regulations for our kingdom. What did they decide? They decided to change night into day and day into night. And there was an order by the king and the minister. They ordered everyone that you should be awake at night, and you can till your fields, you can run your business only after the dark. And as soon as the sun comes up, you have to go to the bed. And if anybody who disobeyed this order was punished with death. And that is why people did all kinds of things as they were asked to do. I mean, all the people, they used to wake up during the night and did their work and household chores, but during the daytime they all used to sleep over there. Why? Because if anybody was found on the road during the day, they were going to get punishment, and everybody was scared, and that is why they followed whatever thing was told them. Now one day, all of a sudden, what happened? A Guruji came to that beautiful city, and his disciple also came along with him. It was a broad daylight, and they were very surprised that during the daytime nobody is over here, nobody is visible during the daytime. Even the kettle had also been taught to sleep by day, and they were two strangers, and they were amazed whatever they were seeing. They wandered around the town till the evening. Now they were hungry also. So what did they decide? When they decide to wait, and when the night came, as soon as it was evening time, all the people got started with their nightly business. Now these two men were hungry. Now as the shops were open, they went to purchase the groceries, and they started cooking. And again they were surprised. Why? Because the cost price of each and single thing was a single doodoo. Whether it was a measure of rice or a bunch of bananas, it cost a single doodoo. Now the Guru and disciple were delighted. They said that we have never heard of anything like this. Everything is so cheap over here, and they just bought everything and just wanted for a rupee. They cooked and they ate. After doing all these things, Guru realized, and he told his disciple that this kingdom is of fools, and it's not a good idea to live over here. So let's just leave this place and we'll go out from here. But disciple, he did not want to leave the place. Why? Because everything was cheap in that place, and he wanted to enjoy those things. All he wanted was good cheap food. Okay, but the Guru tried to plead him. He tried to ask him that no, we should leave this place, we should go away from this place. But the disciple, he was amazed by the cheap things of that place, and he wanted to eat, live and enjoy on that place, and he did not want to go away from that place.